everyone, Miss Alice here. Today I want to share with you a recipe for a delicious Blueberry Blast Smoothie. It's an easy recipe, you can make at home, and it's super flexible so you can use any fruits that you have on hand. Let's get started. Here's the ingredients we're going to need for today's smoothie. We've got blueberries, and you can use fresh blueberries or frozen blueberries. I'm going to use frozen blueberries because that's what I had on hand. You'll need a banana, and it doesn't have to be a really nice banana. It can be one that's got some brown spots on it. And then you'll want to use either yogurt or milk. Either one will work, but if you use milk or if you use fresh fruit, you'll probably want some ice cubes. It'll help the smoothie get more of a smoothie texture. Okay, let's make our smoothie. So we're gonna add everything into our blender. It doesn't really matter what order you go in because we're gonna blend it all up at the end. We're gonna start with our banana. And add it in chunks, it'll help it blend better. We'll add our frozen blueberries. And some milk. And I'm gonna throw a couple ice cubes in, not all of them that I had earlier. All right. And now we're gonna blend it all up. And we're done. Nice and easy. And you can change it up with any fruits that you have in your house. You could even use a vegetable like spinach, and I bet it would be delicious. See you later.